How to highlight text in Canva. If you're wanting to highlight text in Canva, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Canva project and head over to this section called Elements from there. And from there, you can go ahead and select Shapes, whichever shape you want in order to highlight the text. So for example, I have chosen the square one. You can place it above the text that you would like to highlight. For example, like this, and you can change the color. I am gonna choose another color for more easier example. For example, this one right here. After that is done, you can make the square or any shape how you prefer, like this. For example, I want to highlight that part of the text. So once it is placed like this, you can go ahead and click on the three dot and you can choose the position of the text anyhow you want. For example, forward like this, and then what you're going to do is make it transparency according to your preferences, and that is it. So that is how you basically highlight text in Canva following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.